Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You're watching Islamic World today. Suicide attack kills almost 80 in Somalia's capital. Most of those killed were university and other students returning to classes. Kazakhstan plane crashes. Investigator probe technical failure and pilot error. Plane with 98 people on board apparently struggled to get off the ground during takeoff. Jordan to receive $300 million in development aid from Abu Dhabi. The move comes following the directives of Emirates President Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. Over 235,000 displaced in Idlib, Syria in last 2 weeks. UN. Besides shelling and bombing, families fleeing in torrential rain near freezing temperatures at night, says UN body. Trump warns Syrian regime allies against Idlib carnage. Turkey working hard to stop massacre in Idlib and Syria, says US President. US contractor killed in Iraq rocket attack and troops wounded. Attack injured several US service members and Iraqi personnel, says American military. Malaysia not to extradite Uyghurs seeking asylum. Oppression against Muslims worldwide, including Uyghurs, must be acknowledged, says Malaysian Premier. Indonesia denies being quiet on Uyghur persecution. Foreign Minister ensures the Indonesia will continue to strengthen their communication and coordination with Chinese government. UN blasts Myanmar's human rights abuses of Rohingya. General Assembly passes resolution calling on Myanmar government to take urgent measures to stop abuses of Rohingya Muslims. Taliban kills 10 Afghan soldiers in attack on base. Insurgents try to blow their way into military base in Sanjin in Restiu Helmand province. Pakistan and Afghanistan reopen consulate after 3 months. Pakistan's embassy in Kabul announces visa service for Afghan nationals to resume on Sunday. Indian government asks protesters to pay for damages. In Muslim majority city of Rampur, poor workers and laborers issue notice to pay or face action. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.